Hey everyone, today we're going to take a quick look at one of the new features in our platform. This is turned on in the build section of your app where you have all your features under advanced settings, and it's called admin code verification, which basically means the app will send a verification code to users after they sign up or register for the app. So currently in our platform, if you're not using this feature, you register, you enter your name, email, whatever information you're asking for, and then hit submit, and you're right into the app. With this feature enabled, what happens is after you've registered, it will ask you for a verification code. Okay, so this what it's designed to do is protect the app from the general public. So if you've got a large business, it was actually done for one of our clients, and they have a large operation with thousands of employees, and they only want it for their own internal company. They don't want other users to have it. So we've designed this feature, and the verification code, again, it blocks a regular person who downloads the app from getting into the app. Okay, so you enable it over here. I'm going to close this off. I'm going to go back into the app. Going to log in, and you will see in the customer list, you click on Manage Customers, and you'll be able to add manually add the users. In this case, the way it's designed is the staff here wanted to basically import or manually add their own employees into the system, and by doing that, you're able to send a welcome mail from the admin. So let me just show you what that looks like. I'm going to add just random okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will make this active. So I've just added Jake Allen into the system, and you'll see over here the system created a link called Shoot Admin Welcome Mail. So basically, anyone that didn't download the app, the system knows that they haven't downloaded it, and you're able to click this link, and it will shoot a welcome mail that's managed in your automatic emails right here. The shoot welcome mail from admin, okay? And in this welcome mail, you're able to put, you've got verification code placeholder right here. So if you were adding your employees, for example, and you wanted to send them a welcome mail with their username, their password, and a verification code, this email will go out to your employees. Okay, so I'm not using it in the specific program for this demonstration. I wanted to show you where it's set up. So it's important that you set it up in email as well. That goes out from the admin. Otherwise, the employees will get their credentials, but they won't be able to get past the app gate where you'd have to enter the verification code. So enter the verification code in the body of your email, and come back over to your customers here. You'll see once I've entered this customer, you'll see the shoot welcome mail. You're able to go into the customer list, customer profile, hit the edit buttons, and you can see generate a new verification code. And once you do that, the verification code is done for that specific customer. So now you can make a uniform verification code for the entire platform, or you can make individual codes for people. If you're making individual codes, you'd have to come in here and click this link here again to generate a verification code for this specific person. Okay, so we're going to take a look at how this works in the app, and email that I just clicked the link and I got the email sent to my email account. So you can see we've got the information that was in the welcome email from admin. My verification code is right here, 410609. I'm going to pull up my phone now just to show you how this works. Okay, so here's my the app that we were testing this in. I'm going to enter my user credentials. Use this email address. Sorry. All right, so I've entered the username and password. I click the agree button here and hit login. And the next screen I get is the confirmation code. So now I can't get into the app without entering this confirmation code. My verification code is right here, and you will see me enter that in now. But first I just want to show you, if I don't enter the code, I get an alert box there, and if I close the app and try to get around it, it won't let me in. It'll take me back to the login screen. So there's no way for, when this feature is turned on, there's no way for anyone to access the app without that verification code, which is right here. So let's just enter that code and jump into the app. All right, so I'm back at the screen here, so I will enter my code, 410609. This is a unique code to me, and once I've entered that code, I am able to get into the app. So you can see it's a great way to, like I said, if you've got this kind of a use clause for a business where you only want to allow people in that you authorize, then this is how you do it. If any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.